Packaging, specifically corrugated, is a part of almost every product we consume. Its uses include product protection, point-of-purchase displays, shipping containers, and more.
Corrugated packaging is actually the fiber of our lives. It just makes sense. The first corrugated package was made in the United States in 1895. Prior to that, everyone used wooden cartons, wooden boxes, and slowly in the early 1900s, corrugated started replacing that.
Corrugated containers occupy the largest segment of the growing packaging industry. Its paper's versatility, combined with its unique strength and durability, offer consumers and retailers a very cost-effective, lightweight material.
Our product is something that is a necessary accessory to the retail experience. What we make is used to get the product to the consumer or to convince the consumer to buy. And it could be purely functional, it could be purely aesthetic. If I make a brown box with one color on it and it's being used to ship something through mail order, that works great. If it's being used to attract the customer to the purchase in the retail environment with multiple colors, it's still fundamentally a paper-based product that is less expensive than or more cost-effective than the other alternatives.
For more than 30 years, Sun Automation Group has been dedicated to providing feeding, printing, converting machinery, technology, and support for the worldwide corrugated industry.
Sun Automation started about 32 years ago by two industry veterans that worked in their garage, and here we are 32 years later with 145 employees worldwide and that are all owners of the company. Sun Automation builds not only new machines, but also upgrades the older machines with new features so that they can give the customers a competitive advantage to service their customers.
From a green perspective, corrugated is renewable and 100% recyclable. More than 95% of all products in the United States shipped are in corrugated boxes. Corrugated paperboard accounts for more than half of all the paper recycled in the U.S.
95% of the population has access to curbside pickup or municipalities where you can drop off corrugated. So we're set up very well across the whole country to be able to recycle corrugated boxes. The other thing to that is you can recycle them up to 7 times before the fibers start getting weak enough to where you have to add new fibers to them, and basically a new recipe of stronger fibers so you can again recycle it and make it into paperboard or other packaging grades, and then when you're done with that, you recycle it again. So it's a great product, very green product.
The commitment to environmental and social responsibility is important to Sun Automation. In addition to using environmentally responsible manufacturing processes, the company insists suppliers provide safe working conditions and treat workers with dignity and respect.
We have to be conscientious about what we do, and that has a human element and an environmental element. We have to think about the way in which we use energy, we have to think about the way in which we use water, and we have to think about the way in which we treat our people. You know, we don't throw things away. Anything that we produce as waste, we find a way to recycle. Whether it's paper that's being cut out of a package or something that when a mistake was made, everything gets recycled.
Sun offers a breadth of core products and provides machinery options not offered anywhere else in the industry. Its retrofit capabilities are unmatched, and the company offers multiple solutions to maximize both existing and new machinery.
So our core products would be our lead edge feeders, which was really a game changer when it was developed. Our ink systems, we have a dual blade system, and we also have a single blade system which eliminated the ink roll. The latest, or one of our newest core products, would be our microgrind, which allows customers to grind the blanket while the machine is running, which improves the output and the efficiency of the machine exponentially.
This is what we feed into the press. It's a blank sheet of corrugated. What comes out of the press is this. 2 of these attached together. We break them apart and fold them into this. This is just an example of one type box. We do many different kinds.
Technology and innovation are the cornerstones of Sun Automation. Its relentless commitment to aftermarket support is the foundation that differentiates Sun from other manufacturers, large and small.
Sun has been a great partner for us. They're there on the phone when we need them. They send parts and people in when we need them. And the nature of our business is such that we can't afford to have things not work.
In order to serve our customers today, it has been very necessary for us to pay close attention to what they're trying to achieve, to understand what their goals are to serve their customers so that they can produce a box that serves the customer's needs consistently without causing them problems or waste.
Sun has been there when we needed them. We've got 3 or 4 great projects going on with them right now, and I appreciate their help on a monthly basis.
Sun Automation continues to service customers and push the boundaries of technology throughout the industry.
Our new technology, the Sun Core Stream, which is digital printing, is really a large desktop printer that can print on a 5-foot by 10-foot sheet of corrugated. It doesn't require any special inks. It's the same 4 inks like you have in your desktop printer, and it can print any color you want. It doesn't require any printing plates, doesn't require a storage of a bunch of inks, and it really has no waste. You only use the ink you need, you put it right on the box. You can get an order for a fancy box, and 24 hours later, you can ship the box because there's no tooling required to allow you to print that box.
For more information, visit www.sunautomationgroup.com.